Alright guys, well here it is. We are inside the house here. This is my new bedroom. And check that out. A ceiling fan. Let's see, what is this? Is this a Hampton Bay? Alright, so that's the fan. I did get pictures of these and I posted them on Facebook too, by the way, the last time that I was here. So how cool is that? Check out the ceiling. Okay, so this is where the closet's going to be. There's going to be a shelf put up here. And there's going to be some shelves put up here. And a pole here put for hanging up the shirts and whatnot. We're just going to put like a small, it'll either be a sliding door or it'll be curtains. Anyway, that's going to be the closet. Okay, and there are the windows. There is the ventilation for the heating and air. This house actually came with a heating and air central. So yeah, there's going to be air conditioning in this house. Installation for a telephone. Hardwood floors. There's the adjustment for the air conditioning. There's ventilation up there. Here is the kitchen. Another ceiling fan up here. I think somebody told me that this is a Hampton Bay. I think. Here's the table. That's where we're going to be eating dinner. Okay, so here's the stove. This is a brand new stove too, by the way. Hello, guys. Here's a microwave. Here's the cabinets. Coffee maker. And here is the refrigerator. Some old stuff in here. That's all going to be discarded and cleaned out and stuff. There's the freezer. This is a whirlpool. Here's the sink. Even came with a soap dispenser. Wow, how cool is that? The overhead light. Here's another view of the dining room. Ooh, check these out. These overhead lights here. That's really neat. We also have this here too. Not exactly sure how old this is. I'm pretty sure maybe it's from the 50s or 60s. Here's from the window that goes straight out to my building, soon to be studio. Let's turn that off. And here is a look at the utility room. Wow, how neat is this? This is going to be my workbench. This is what will be put into my studio. So yeah, get a load of that. This is where I'm going to be working on my fans and stuff, doing all of my material. How cool is it that the house came with a new workbench? Has a little thing under there for storage. That's going to be really nice. Ooh, look what we have here. A Lasco pedestal fan.